Okay, having a wee go at this one. The first one's not too bad to integrate. So that goes back up to an x. You've got the derivative of the bottom and the top, so just log the bottom. You don't need the plus c because you've got your limits. So it's 3 minus log 3 minus 1 minus log 1. Log 1 is 0, so it disappears. 3 minus 1 is 2 minus log 3. Part B. I'm going to split this integral up. So it's cosec squared x dx. Now cosec squared. Cot goes to minus cosec squared. I suppose didn't have to break the integral up, but anyway. Just doing the first one. So it's plus, and that goes back to cot x, and don't forget your c. Okay. The next paper we're going to look at is the C4 paper from the same year. So question 1 is drawing this graph. Okay, so that's an x squared graph. That's a negative x squared graph. Just lift it up 4. Now where does it cross the axes at? Put y to be 0. So 4 minus x squared is 0. That's a difference of 2 squares. So you can see it crosses at x equals 2 and x equals minus 2. So minus 2 and 2. Now I want the volume. So the volume is pi y squared dx, and I am between 0, this bit here, and 2. So let's square out those brackets. Square the first, square the last, and double the product. So it's minus 8x squared dx. And that's straightforward to integrate. So pi can just sit outside. So it's 16x plus x5 over 5 minus x3 over 3. And your limits are 2 and 0. So putting in your 2, you get 32 plus 32 over 5 minus 8 times 2 cubed is 8 over 3. Take away and putting in 0 is all zeros. So just putting that into the calculator. So it's 32 plus your 32 over 5 minus your 64 over 3. Times it all by pi, and you get 256 over 15 pi. The number 7 is one of these special cases. You cannot differ or integrate a log. So you have to use that wee trick of putting in 1. So u, and then use integration by parts. U is log x. dv by dx is 1. You can differentiate a log, no problem, derivative over the function, and you can integrate that. Now using your your integration by parts formula, u v, let's pop it in front there so it doesn't look like log x squared, minus v du by dx. So it's x log x minus 1 dx. So it's x log x minus x. Now in this one I had limits and they were 3 and 1. So it's 3 log 3 minus 3. Take away 1 log 1, which is 0. Take away 1. So it's 3 log 3 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2.